Hello everyone. Today I am going to make another Halloween design, but for this one it takes a lot of time for me to make the design idea because I was trying to show how to convert designs into recent trends. Like this is now Halloween season, Halloween selling season. So I am going to make a design for Halloween, but I am going to make it in ugly style, like this ugly Christmas sweater design I showed you in my previous video, in this style. And I am now going to combine a trend with this. That is, this is a design I found from Google, Great Pumpkin Believer since 1966. That means Great Pumpkin is a mythical belief. People used to believe that there was a great pumpkin, and that's how this pumpkin comes in Halloween theme. You can just make some Google research for this. So my point here is I am going to make a trendy t-shirt design. I am going to combine Halloween for these elements here, and then I am going to make it in ugly Christmas style, and of course I am going to make it in a political style. That means I am going to use here the great Trumpkin believer. So that is for President Trump. Here I am going to make a design who supports Trump. So that is my point here. Now I want to make a pumpkin that will look like Donald Trump. So for this one here I needed a pumpkin, so I take one, and then I take one from here. This is a coloring page website. There will be no copyright because I am not going to use it as it is. I will modify it. Then I was searching for Trump hair PNG, and I found this one here. This is pin clip art, so I can use this one in my design and there will be no copyright. So for that one I am just going to use it as it is here. I am going to paste it something like this part I made just to save some time when I am making designs. Now I am making a silhouette image from this. I need to adjust this threshold a bit so that I can see these lines only, not the whole design. Now you can see this is my design, but I need to fix these areas. Like I want a close path vector. I have showed you in my previous videos. So I am going to use my pencil tool here just to make a close path for this area, and of course for this one here just draw some random lines to fill these areas. Now when they are all filled, I can simply select them all, use my pathfinder and this merge tool. When I am merging them, they all become a single shape. Okay, so this one is done here, and this is my pumpkin. But for this one here I am going to use that kind of pattern style I showed you in my previous video. So I am going to use that one here, and for that pattern design I need this to be in fill color, like they are in fill color now, but this design is in stroke mode. If I bring it here and make it white, you can see this is the outlines only. So I need them in fill color, like the this white area, this total design should be in fill style. So that is what I am going to make here. Okay, I need to expand this. Now if I select this design from here just to make a copy of this, so I am going to copy, Ctrl C and paste in back, Ctrl B. When it is pasted in back, if I it is already merged, if I unite that, then that part will be a single color. But you can see here is two different design here. If I select my eyedropper tool, pressing I and click on this color, it will give me a, you can see here is my background is this orange color and there is a black color foreground for this design. So I have two design here, one is complete orange, one is black. So I am going to keep them as it is. I am going to make them a group. Now for this one here I need to make exact same style here. I am going to copy and paste in back, Control B, and then merge unite. That is how it is. It also makes another version of this design, but in complete black. So if I select this color here, you can see now I have two different designs. So I am going to change this one's color to yellow, as the hair of Trump is yellow. So I am going to make it, keep that as it is. I am going to select them both. I am going to make it a bit bigger so that I can place it something like this. So this is the way of making a colorized design. So I am going to just make it a bit bigger so that it covers this area and I can just see the pumpkin face here. Okay, so this is now my final design. I am going to do some changes here, like if I select this one here, this only this area, this nose, eyes and his mouth, only this area, and I select my light pen tool, pressing K on my keyboard, and I am selecting this white color, pressing Ctrl and clicking, that is sampling this color. I am just putting them here just to make it a white fill. Okay, now this is my design is ready. So here I have three color in my design. So I am going to make three copy of these rectangles. So I am going to sample those colors here. Okay, now I have three color here. I want to make everything in pattern style. So for that one here, I need a pattern like this. Okay, there is a lot of files in this design, so it is lagging my computer. Anyway, that's not a problem. So I am going to make a pattern here. I am just going to rotate it something like this. Then I am going to make a copy of it. Okay, so this is going to be my pattern now, or maybe okay, that is fine for me. I am just going to, okay, you can see now I am again duplicating them downwards, something like this. This will work for me. Now my pattern is ready. I am going to select them all. I am showing this again as I have showed you in my previous video, but still it may be confusing, so I am making them again. So here is my white pattern. If I copy that pattern here, okay, before that I need to place this two design in my source panel. So I am going to make a group. They are already in my source panel here, but I am just making to show you. So this is now my, okay, sorry for that, this is my original pattern, this is the duplicate copy. So if I just double click here, it will show me the original pattern. If I select them all, make them this color and done, then I have another this orange color pattern. I am going to copy that orange pattern again. So I have two orange pattern. If I double click here and select them all, now I am going to make them yellow. Okay, so pressing done here, now I have three pattern in my source panel, so I don't need them anymore. Now I am just going to erase everything from here. Okay, now I need to change these colors from in the pattern I want. So I am going to double click here to select this orange color. If I click here, you can see this is the orange fill I am selecting, and I am going to press this orange pattern here. So that is done. If I select this, okay, these are I made from paint bucket, so I need to expand them. Now if I click, take my magic wand tool to click here in this white, then everything in white will be selected. I am going to apply white pattern there. Okay, maybe I didn't make a white pattern. Okay, that's not a problem. Oh, because of my background is white, it is not showing here, but that is okay, that will work. Now if I click here, this hair group, select this yellow color and make that yellow pattern. Okay, when I am making this yellow pattern, you can see this pumpkin is showing from the behind of my hair, so I need to just select this one and erase this part of this pumpkin so that it doesn't. Okay, now I am selecting this shape here. Again I need to erase them from this area. Maybe that will work for me. Okay, you can see now it is done. So I am going to select them all, making a group here, then pasting it, bringing that in my design. So as my background is black here, it is not looking that much good, but maybe I think, okay, that is a bad idea to make them in that style. Let me just keep them. If I select this color here, it will, I can make that in, okay, not like that. I can make that in pure orange color, something like this fill. Then I am selecting this one here. If I take my magic wand tool, make that white. Okay, and now I am going to select this hair part here of Trump here, then making that orange or yellow, something like this. Okay, so this is now looking better than that pattern. So when I have those patterns already, so I can simply use them in my text or something like that. Maybe this one will work for this one, Trumpkin. Okay, that is also not looking good. Let's not use pattern here. Okay, so this is now my final design is going. This is now my final design. Now the reason of this design is it will combine me three audience. One is Halloween, one will be that ugly sweater design, and there is one who believes in Trump or they want Trump as a president. So that is how that is what I wanted to share, that how to combine ideas to make a single design and a trendy design. So I can simply use them as they are, and I can fill these areas with some more Halloween elements. Okay guys, so this is now my final design. I wanted to make it pattern, so I make them a bit smaller, and now this is looking good. So this will be my final design, but I want to place this head on these two tracks, and I want to make that visible. So I am going to make a offset path for that. Okay, 10 pixel will work for me. Now everything is here. I'm going to merge and unite. That's how it will be a black shape. So I'm going to cut that. Now I need to make these two group, these two text group. When they are grouped, I can open their transparency panel and paste that black shape on top of them. So this is how it will look like. This head is being cut out from the background designs. So this is the final design for me now, or maybe I can just add some colors here like this. Okay guys, so this is my final design, and the reason I am making this video is share with you how to combine trends in a single design. So I hope this one will give you some idea how to generate ideas and how to combine designs into a trending niche. If your niche is cat or dog, nurse, doctor, anything, you can just combine your idea or niche in any trending designs. So sorry about that, it was a bit messy at the beginning, but yeah, this is the final design and I really like this one. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next video. Have a great time. Thank you everyone.